Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. I am back. I know it's been a minute. It always gets like this around the holiday times where Thanksgiving and holidays and different things like that come around and it gets hectic and just lose track of time. But nevertheless, the garden is still growing, it's still growing strong, still doing good. I haven't been out there as much as I want to, like every single day. But I have been harvesting my collards that's out there. Well, I haven't harvested any broccoli. The broccoli's growing slowly. What else I have out there? I think I just have mostly collards. That was my plan this year. That was my mission, to grow a bunch of collards so I didn't have to make a trip to the grocery store to do collards this year for holiday dinner. And that was successful. I didn't have to make a trip. I plucked all of these a good amount of times. Look how big this one grew back. Them too. I pluck these down to the small ones. Dinosaur shell. Broccoli. Nothing yet. Oh, it's a little piece. Look at that little piece. Get in there, baby. Right here. Little piece of broccoli. Right. Get the wood. Look at the karate. Wow.
Oh no, like what is that?
It's like a baseball.
Let me throw it up in there. 2.
Ready? Pick the outer bigger ones. Leave the smaller ones so they can continue to grow and get big like these. So just pick all the big ones and leave leave all the small ones, but about a good 5 to 6 of them at least. And then, you know, yeah, just pick the outer. Okay. This is the heart of the plant. You see, that's where they keep growing and growing and growing and growing. So we want to pick the outer.
Oh Lord, I don't want to break you.
You're being ridiculous.
I feel like it's hurting me. Let me pick you like this. About that, making me sneeze.
Cut. Cut. Cut.